Guys and girls, I'm excited to show you Alexi. This is a new style from the Noriko Fall 2019 collection. Now, Alexi is a flirty bob style that features layers and these loose waves. It has a lace front even though it has bangs. The top does not have parting space, but it does have a nice shape to it and some permatease if you want to tease it up for more volume. Well, let's take a closer look at this very pretty new style. Alexi's wig cap features a hand-tied lace front for a natural look and off-the-face styling options. The top has a very soft lace covering, which is very good for people with a sensitive scalp. On the sides, you have velvet-lined, adjustable ear tabs. The sides and the back are open wefted to allow air circulation and scalp coolness. On either side of the velour net nape are adjustable bands, which have bra-like adjusters. Well, I, for one, am so thrilled that Noriko has given us two new styles with bangs, because as someone who has a rather large forehead, I love wigs that have bangs, and the bangs on Alexi are done beautifully. Right out of the box, this is what she looks like with a little bit of finger combing and bang positioning. Now, if you feel that the bangs are not quite right for you, but you like the style, I suggest that you take this to your hairstylist or local wig salon to have the bangs trimmed and positioned in a way that will flatter your face. The fibers of Alexi are very soft and silky. It feels like human hair and not overly shiny, which is great. The cap size is average. My head measures 22 inches in circumference, which is considered average, and this style fits me perfectly right out of the box without moving the adjustable straps. Now, it does fit a little snug, so I don't think the style would work well for someone with a slightly larger than average head size. However, if your head size is petite average, I think this could work for you. The lace front is really well done. I like that the knots are not overly noticeable. This does not have parting space at the top. In fact, it has permatease. Now, you might notice the permatease when you look at the top as dark, wiry little fibers deep down inside the synthetic fibers themselves. That is not a defect. That is actually the permatease. And you can just run your fingers like this through it to help lift the style and get more volume. Earlier, when I showed you the cap, you could see the lace fabric, which conceals a lot of the permatease at the top. What's great is the top of this wig has already been pre-teased, so you have a great deal of volume already right out of the box. I love that the style has some layers around the face, and yet it's a blunt cut all the way around. Very nice. Well, let's take a look at this beautiful style from all sides. The front, left side, the back. Nice movement. I love how the back is cut. It's very cute. Right side. The front fringe measures 3.93 inches long. The crown measures 10.62 inches long, and the nape measures 3.93 inches long. and weighing 3.98 ounces. This is a wig that has plenty of body and movement, and yet the cap is very comfortable. It is so lightweight to wear. I am wearing Alexi in the beautiful color Melted Marshmallow. This is a cool sandy blonde with long silvery white platinum tips and dark brown roots. Now the dark brown root is like a number 4 dark brown, and you should know that there is a $19 upcharge on the price of the wig when you order this color. Let's take a look at this color outside. Here is the color Melted Marshmallow in natural light. You do have some styling options with Alexi. She looks really cute, tucked behind the ear. And while there's not a great deal of length, you could pull her back into a very short ponytail or clip her with a barrette. The bangs are also quite versatile. You can have them go off to one side, just for a different look, or bring them over to the other side. And you could wear it very sleek and polished, very tame, or you can get your fingers in here and stir up some trouble with the fibers and just make it as big as you would like it to be. If you're interested in purchasing Alexi, I highly recommend the website pinkypromise.com. They carry the style in all of the beautiful Noriko salon colors. They have great customer service and free shipping. If you go to the home page at pinkypromise.com, scroll down to the bottom, sign up for the mailing list. You'll receive a 30% discount code to use on your purchase. Plus, you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. If you have any questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave your questions in the comments section below the video. If you wear Alexi, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review. Please be sure to subscribe so that you get alerts whenever I post a new wig review. Take care. Bye-bye.